The home stretch. Unlocking the final phase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind a very common yet intriguing phrase, the home stretch. Whether you've heard it in conversations, movies, or even sports commentary, this phrase holds a key to understanding not just language, but the culture that shapes it. So, let's get into the details and find out what the home stretch really means and how you can use it in your everyday English. The home stretch refers to the final portion or phase of an activity, project, or event. Imagine you're running a race, and you can see the finish line just ahead. That's the home stretch. It signifies that the end is near, and the goal is within reach. This phrase is not limited to physical races. It's used metaphorically to describe any situation where you're nearing completion. Whether it's the last semester of college, the final stages of a work project, or the last episode of a TV series you've been binge watching, when you're in the home stretch, you're almost at the end. The phrase, the home stretch, has its roots in horse racing, a sport with a rich history of influencing the English language with idiomatic expressions. In horse racing, the home stretch is the last straight portion of the track before the finish line. It's where races are often decided, and the tension reaches its peak. This sporting context has given the phrase a sense of urgency and anticipation, qualities that have carried over into its everyday usage. Using the home stretch in conversation or writing is a great way to express that you or someone else is nearing the completion of a task. Here are a few examples to show you how it's done. I can't believe we're already in the home stretch of the school year. It feels like it just started. This project has been challenging, but we're finally in the home stretch. After years of hard work and saving, we're in the home stretch of buying our first home. These examples show how versatile the phrase is and how it can be applied to various scenarios, adding a layer of excitement and anticipation to the narrative. Understanding phrases like the home stretch not only enriches your vocabulary but also deepens your appreciation for the cultural nuances of the English language. It's a powerful expression that conveys hope, anticipation, and the satisfaction of nearing a goal. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and inspired you to incorporate it into your English conversations and writings. Thank you for watching, and remember, whether you're learning a new language or navigating life's challenges, you're in the home stretch, and success is just around the corner. Stay motivated, and see you in our next video.